Imagine a sunny afternoon, the sun shining brightly, casting a warm glow over everything. You are in your garden, surrounded by the delightful aroma of fresh herbs. It smells wonderful, a mix of mint, basil, and rosemary. You see a beautiful spiral of herbs, each plant carefully placed to create a stunning visual effect. The herbs are different shades of green, from deep emerald to light lime. Some have small, delicate flowers that add a pop of color. It looks beautiful and smells amazing, a true feast for the senses. This can be your garden. Imagine having this serene and fragrant space right outside your door. A herb spiral is a raised garden bed, designed to maximize space and create a unique growing environment. It has a unique spiral shape that not only looks beautiful, but also helps with water drainage and sun exposure. It's a fun and easy way to grow your favorite herbs, making gardening accessible and enjoyable for everyone. It's perfect for small gardens or patios, allowing you to make the most of limited space. You can even build one on a balcony, bringing the joy of gardening to urban living spaces. Why a spiral shape? This clever design saves space. It creates different microclimates. The top is sunny and dry. The bottom is shady and moist. This lets you grow herbs with different needs in one place. The spiral shape also makes it easy to reach your herbs. No more bending over too far. You can easily tend to each plant. You can harvest your herbs whenever you need them. Ready to get started? You will need a few materials. Gather stones or bricks for the spiral wall. You will need soil and compost for planting. Gravel is good for drainage. And of course, you'll need your favorite herbs. Choose herbs that you love to cook with. Some popular choices are rosemary, thyme, oregano, and basil. You can also plant chamomile, mint, or lavender for their fragrance. Building your herb spiral. First, choose a sunny spot for your herb spiral. This ensures that your herbs get plenty of sunlight, which is essential for their growth and health. Use string and flour to mark the spiral shape on the ground. This will serve as a guide for placing your stones or bricks accurately. Start placing stones or bricks along the line. Make sure they are stable and secure to form a solid foundation for your spiral. Build up the spiral layer by layer. Each layer should be slightly smaller than the one below it, creating a natural slope. Make sure the spiral gets smaller as it goes higher. This design helps with water drainage and allows different herbs to thrive in their preferred conditions. Add a layer of gravel at the bottom for drainage. This prevents water from pooling and keeps the roots of your herbs healthy. Then fill the rest of the spiral with a mixture of soil and compost. This provides the nutrients your herbs need to grow strong. Water the soil thoroughly to settle it in place. Now, it's time to plant your herbs. Choose a variety of herbs that you use frequently in your cooking. Place taller herbs at the top and shorter ones at the bottom to maximize sunlight exposure. Placing your herbs. In this section, we'll guide you through the best way to position your herbs in an herb spiral garden. Herbs that like it dry and sunny go at the top. These include rosemary, thyme, and oregano. These herbs thrive in well-drained soil and full sunlight, making the top of the spiral ideal for them. Herbs that prefer some shade go in the middle. Basil and parsley are good choices. They enjoy a bit of protection from the intense midday sun. Herbs that like it moist and shady go at the bottom. Mint and chives will thrive there. The lower part of the spiral retains more moisture, which is perfect for these herbs. Gently remove each herb from its pot. Be careful not to damage the roots. Loosen the roots and plant them in the soil. Water them well to help them settle in. Make sure to give each herb enough space to grow. Proper spacing ensures that each plant gets enough nutrients and sunlight. Enjoy your herb spiral. Congratulations! You have built your own herb spiral. Now you can enjoy fresh herbs all season long. Use them to flavor your favorite dishes. Dry some herbs for later use. Share your harvest with friends and family. Growing your own herbs is rewarding. It's good for the environment. It's a great way to relax and connect with nature. So why not give it a try? You'll be amazed by what you can grow. Did you find this guide helpful? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Share your herb spiral creations with us in the comments below.